How do I disable a test using Pytest? Let's say I have a bunch of tests. Is there a decorator or something similar that I could add to the functions to prevent Pytest from running just that test? The result might look something like.
The skip decorator would do the job. Reason argument is optional, but it is always a good idea to specify why a test is skipped. There is also skipIf, that allows to disable a test if some specific condition is met. These decorators can be applied to methods, functions, or classes. To skip all tests in a module, define a global Pytest mark variable.
Pytest has the skip and skipIf decorators, similar to the Python Unitas module, which uses skip and skipIf, which can be found in the documentation here. Examples from the link can be found here. The first example always skips the test. The second example allows you to conditionally skip tests, great when tests depend on the platform, executable version, or optional libraries. For example, if I want to check if someone has the library pandas installed for a test.
I'm not sure if it's deprecated, but you can also use the pytest.skip function inside of a test.
If you want to skip the test but not hardcode a marker, better use keyword expression to escape it. Note, here keyword expression is basically expressing something using keywords provided by Pytest or Python and getting something done. In above example, not is a keyword. For more info, refer this link. More examples of keyword expression can be found in this answer.
Due to which this is a linear